Thank you, Ansuman. Welcome, Prakash. So we have gone far away from being a startup of yesterday to a global leader in RP and automation. And Bangalore is one of our big engineering center out of Romania. And this was the first outside of Romania that was set up in 2018. And I personally feel very proud of it because we've been delivering a lot of product features out of Bangalore. What's your views?
Yeah, thank you, Manish. Great to be part of this discussion. Let me talk about why Bangalore first. As you know, Bangalore is a beautiful city. Weather is nice, friendly people, and most importantly, Bangalore is the Silicon Valley of India. And most of the top software companies have their development center here in Bangalore. And we wanted to be closer to our partners and customers and RPA community. And if you look at it, Bangalore has the largest RPA community in the world, and it gives an advantage for us to kind of closely work with the customers to make the product better and build what they need. So get the feedback, immediate feedback from the customers. So it was very important for us to pick a city that is very close to our customers. And coming back to the journey, we started Bangalore Development Center back in 2018 March. And we started a little slow, but we got a lot of help from our colleagues in Romania. They helped us to kind of set up the team and also helped us to identify the products we could work in the initial stage of our start. We started with taking RPA to the cloud and then moved on to build a product called Human in the Loop. Then we built analytics, and then we built several integration to LOB applications like SAP, Workday, Salesforce. So excited to be part of this journey. And there's a lot to do, but very happy about what we've done.
Fantastic. That's inspiring. That's truly inspiring. So to all our viewers, we heard terms like human in the loop. We heard terms like cloud RPA. We heard terms like intelligent automation. So all for good reasons. And the last couple of months, we launched our 20.10 version, which is nothing but end-to-end automation. Right from planning to insight, everything. From end-to-end automation. If you think about an enterprise, so and the product is still evolving with AI components built into it. So, what's your thought on this, Prakash? Where are we headed?
2020 probably the biggest release of UiPath, and it has a lot of capabilities as part of our hyperautomation platform. And we talk about all the stages from discovery to engage and measure. All the stages of the hyperautomation, we have capabilities in every stage. Right? So coming back to India specific, what we have done in 2010, one is Action Center, which is giving the new user experience for our business users to make the task, managing the task easy for them. The second one is AI Fabric we released on-prem. So customers now can have AI Fabric on their IT landscape or the public cloud, whatever the environment they have, they can have an on-prem version of the AI Fabric. And the third one is several. We added several more integrations to our LOB application, and most importantly, we also released a new product called Apps Business Application Platform that is powered by automation. Business users, without having any kind of programming experience, they can start building applications on top of automation they have, and without just drag and drop. And it speeds up the innovations at the customer side. So, as I said, a lot of things, exciting things in 2010, and many things have come from it.
Fantastic. That's great. So, Prakash, what you're saying is that anything that can be automated will eventually be automated. And I think with 20.10 release, we have truly become an enterprise software company. And one of the things that I was really thinking about is UiPath and the way we get associated with our culture, which is definitely around humility, openness, continuous learning, and flexibility. And which is important, which has been a very crucial factor for our growth so far. So how do you invite all these fundamentals within your team in their day-to-day working life?
That's a good point. And these are very important aspects of a developer. And these are the cultural values we kind of follow in UiPath, very important to us. We work in a globally distributed team. And if for us to work as one team, we need to be open to ideas and changes coming from others. And it's not like ideas are not good, but we have to pick one ideas, and we can't keep discussing about the ideas and changes and other things. So you need to have an open mind to kind of listen to somebody else, pick on their ideas, and execute on. So it is important to us. And the second one is flexibility. We run really fast, and one of the values is be fast for us. So we start with something, and then we work with the customers and see what makes sense for them. Sometimes we have to change course of actions. We need to be flexible enough to kind of change the course of action based on customer feedback or other things may come up. So you have to be very flexible about it. And the third one is continuous learning. And as you know, you're in this field for a long time, and technology is not going to be the same. And today's technology will change, and tomorrow we need to learn something new. So we always have to, as a developer, as an engineer, you have to keep learning, and it's never going to stop. And for us, it's not only the technology we need to learn, and we also need to learn from the customers. And when you give the product to the customers, and we need to understand how they use it, and what's a better way to kind of make it easy for a customer to use it. So a lot of learning come from our customers. And the fourth one, being humble or humility. I think that is the foundation of our company, and I think everyone has that. I think that's an important aspect of it. I don't think it is very specific to development, but it's an important cultural value of UI.
I think you are absolutely on the point, because it is the cultural values that has given us this explosive growth as a company. And so, Prakash, if I have to understand what's in store in 2021.
A lot of things coming, and we always have more than what we can do. And few things will be apps. We got to keep add more capabilities for apps and make it a lot easier for users to build applications. A lot needs to be done there. And the second thing is also about the cloud robots is going to come. You can have robots on the cloud, and we are going to have a kind of cloud analytics inside. So far we have an on-prem analytics, so we're going to have cloud-based analytics. So there are a lot more exciting stuff coming in 2021.
Awesome, great. So to all our viewers, stay tuned. We have a lot of innovations coming out of Bangalore, especially around cloud analytics, cloud robots, and all those things. I would suggest you all to stay in touch, stay in tune with us, with our sales team, with our engineering team, and look forward. Thank you.
Thanks, Manish. Thank you very much.